dumagdag ka ba? Putang ina! Alam mo yan, Marina.
I'm just hearing it.
Lagi siya nangyari, ma'am.
You're a liar, bitch.
This is on top, backstage of the competition to become the next drag superstar of the Philippines. Kaya tutok na sa on top, mga misis, para hindi ka mahuli sa chismis.
Rolling.
Can I have a cigarette?
Takin mo, babe, yan ito yung cigarette.
Ay nako, saan nagsena?
Nag-undrap. Tama, antak nga naman
For
kasi.
anything else? Cheers to the top 4.
Okay, mag-undrag din ako.
Top 4!
Nakadera, pahinga mo.
Ay, munyeka.
You don't want to cheers?
Pahinga mo. Top 4.
Kita ba't sa melty?
No, babe. Masyado ko eksena, ha? I don't really know. Ano problema niyo sa...
Miss, may tatawa.
Ano ba gusto mo gawin maging bayani? Bakit ako pinapauwi, Beth? Ikaw
Yes,
sa sarili mo.
no. I have the right because that is myself and not you, bitch.
Baka natanggalin mo muna yung buhangin sa mukha mo bago mo albani.
Girl. Mama B asked the question. So, anong ina-expect mo na sagutin namin?
You know what, guys? I really thought that we're all the sisters here, but after the show, I'm gonna fuck you up all.
Baliw. Bakit, Bes? Saan ka ba nang galing?
Bakit? May drug mom ka ba?
Oh, pinanganak ka lang ng drug mom mo, kaya ka nakapasok dito.
Alam naman nating lahat, nakapit ka lang sa drug mom mo, kaya ka nakapasok.
At least may drug mom ako. Kayo mga...
Hindi namin
ulila.
kailangan ng drug mom kasi meron kami star quality.
I don't care. My mom is a legendary queen.
Oh, pakita yung mom.
Legendary na.
Kaya tigil-tigilan yung mga pinagsasabi, I should go. I have the right to tell that I should go home, but you guys have none.
Legendary yung
You know
mom
what?
mo.
Alis na ako dito ka-practice ako.
Ay, birthday.
Can you guys stop? You know what? Fuck you, and fuck you too. I'm a worry, but I'm a Megatron.
Baliw! May eksena pa, Ben. Practice siya ng lip sync. Matatanggal na kasi.
Tapos may confessional, best may confessional. Wala kasi talaga akong balak na ilaglag siya. Kaso yung ugali niya sobrang basura na. And at this point, gusto ko lang iligtas sa sarili ko. And I deserve this one.
I really thought there were sisters here, but after this, I think we're not.
You know what? That would make a bitch.
Hala!
Well, I don't really care about that. I just, it's just an act. I wanted to win.
If she wants to go home, then send her home.
That's my minutes, queen.
You just have to spray the lips.
Oh, no.
You're not trash. You're not trash. It's not the dress, it's you.
No, babe. No. Okay na.
Queen's last 5 minutes. Get ready. Tokyo Lololita, you may come forward. Sashay away.
Ah, yun na, Ben.
Fruit and salad. You may sashay away.
Ako yung ay nagliligpit ko siya ng gamit. May sulat. May sulat.
Oh my God! No!
Silhouette yun. Mukha.
Tay, wala akong ano sa show na to. Hindi rin siya galang ako. Tayo pinaka-motivation ng
Guys, you should boycott this show.
You haven't seen the last of us.
Tapos gawan mo na lang ng ano, yung black. Ano ka naka-high
Huwag
chair?
ko lang sinabi, gagawin ko na. Exit.